Because as you start in taking care of yourself, as you start recognizing that I need to watch my language, I need to change my appearance or invest more into my appearance, I need to invest more into myself, all those other things really just are auxiliary, more being the definition of your life. Because as you start going out there and you're paying attention to your addiction, you're paying attention to how you carry yourself, you're paying attention to even the way that you associate with life, everything else starts going to get upgraded. Why? Because your standards unconsciously just get increased. When you start investing in yourself doing better and you're trying to say, I want to up my net worth, it's amazing what will happen to you along the way. Certain conversations just don't happen anymore. And if they do, it's few and far between. Years and years and years ago, well over a decade ago, I would get involved in certain conversations. It could be gossip. It could be small talk. It could be just these things. Complaining about the weather, complaining about that. Those things do not happen to me any way, shape, or form anymore. Why?